Treasury has collapsed. Not because people stopped using it, but because trust quietly disappeared. The dollar will be no different. The real question is not asterisk if asterisk the dollar fails, but who wins when it does. From ancient Rome to modern superpowers, the pattern is always the same. First, governments expand. Then, spending increases. Then debt grows beyond control. When taxes are no longer enough, leaders turn to the money itself. Rome diluted its silver coins with cheaper metals. Modern governments simply print more currency. Different methods, same outcome. Debt does not destroy an economy overnight. It weakens a currency slowly, eroding its foundation from within. Each new dollar created reduces the value of the ones already in your bank account, in your wallet, in your pension. At first, no one notices. Prices rise gradually. The cost of groceries, fuel, and housing creeps upward. Savings lose purchasing power. Wages struggle to keep pace. By the time the public truly feels the effects, the damage is already done. Empires don't collapse first. Their money does. Currency is based on confidence, not intrinsic value. And once that confidence cracks, it never fully returns. History shows this clearly. Money always fails before governments admit anything is wrong. When currencies weaken, not everyone loses. Those closest to the system move first. The well-connected, the institutional investors, the ultra-wealthy, they shift their wealths out of currency and into assets. Hard assets. Real assets.